The diagram shows a solid cone and a solid hemisphere. The cone has a base of radius x centimeter and a height of 8 centimeter. The hemisphere has a base of radius x centimeter. The surface area of the cone is equal to the surface area of the hemisphere. Find an expression for h in terms of x. So I think the key to get coming up with an answer is to understand that the base or the circular base of both um, the cone and the hemisphere is of same area. So this area and this area is equal. So if I say it's a bit silly, but this area and this is equal. So this is the main bit here. So what we do is when we equate, we are only interested in the circular, not the cone, and the outer part of the hemisphere. We are not interested in the bases. That's the main bit here, is what I think. So what we can do is the surface area, and the other thing that we need to work out is we need the slant height of the cone, that is L, and the surface area of the cone. So we can write surface area of the cone. You subtract the circular base, so you can have minus circular base, so you don't have to subtract it, it's just same, of the cone equals surface area of the hemisphere. So the surface area is pi rl, that's the formula. So if that's what we're applying, so in this case pi rl would equal 4 pi r squared divided by 2, and here the r is x, so we can write r equals x. So therefore we can write pi x times, now L is square root of 8 square plus x square. So pi x times, so into square root of 8 square plus x square, and that equals 2 pi x square. So we can cancel these out, the pi and the x and the pi and the x square, and we are left with x. So we can write 8 square plus x square. So we can write square root of 8 square plus x square equals twice of x, and squaring both sides we would get 8 square plus x square equals 4x square, or 3x square. I write 8 square equals 3x square. So then h would be root 3x. So that is h in terms of x. So we can write